This question is from Arvind, Chennai. He asks, why do people going in the wrong path and doing wrong acts lead a good life? Thank you, Guruji.
Hare Krishna. In fact, this kind of questions come very often. We think that people in this world who have a lot of money or who has a lot of power or name or fame, all such things, we think that they are leading a good life. So our definition of good life is itself is very much wrong here. Because Krishna very clearly says in Bhagavad Gita, this material world is a dukkhalayam. It's a place for miseries. And what our real problems are? Our real problems are birth, old age, disease, and death. Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadi, Dukkha, Dosanu, Darshanam. So one who is able to see that these are our real problems, only they are in knowledge. So that way, if we don't understand, if we don't realize that this material body itself is a problem and we are going to die, we are going to lose everything. So in that case, it doesn't matter what kind of life we are leading. Like what kind of life means, whether we have so much money, accumulated so much wealth by doing all kinds of bad things. Especially this question talks about people who are doing bad things and they are leading a good life. So in fact, we should be thinking, we should show pity upon them. Pity. So because those kinds of actions, bad behaviors, they are going to bind them more into this material world. So because our actions has got two kinds of reactions. Either it will be binding or liberating. And when we do abominable activities, avaram karma or vikarma, when we do such kind of activities which are not prescribed duties, so then they are going to bind us more in this material world. So that means after death, we are going to again take another birth. And we don't know what kind of body we are going to get it. So what happens if that person gets another body, another animal body, a pig or something like that? Well, then what is the use of all these things, achievements, what we had in this life? So that way, we are seeing like that because of our ignorance. We don't have the complete knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. So we should be only seeing a person who is able to control his mind, who is not disturbed by anything in this material world, a yogi. So he is the best person, he is leading a good life. So our way of judging good life based on others, what kind of activities they do, how much money they have or how much power they have, all those things, that itself is Maya. That itself is because of ahankara, we are thinking like that. So that's why this Bhagavad Gita knowledge is very, very important. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji.